Alright, so yeah, this is a farewell video to Spirit Halloween. Actually, Spirit Halloween 2021. I'm still gonna make videos, but only for next year. So I may have bought a couple things from Spirit. So yeah. So item number 1 is the vintage clown doll. So yeah. Anyways, let's get this. It includes batteries. Okay. Just go ahead and. Alright, there we go. So we're going to be a twisty tie. The answer is no. I've somehow broken a twisty tie. How did I break a twisty tie? Now, hold on. There we go. Be free! Be free! Give me that doll. And here's what it looks like out of the plastic. Now, I think it has 3 sayings. And it has a wiggly head. Oh yeah, and there's also a switch here.
I am Clown on Earth, here to be your best friend. Wow, now that deserves a pie in the face. I was made for fun. Come on, let's go.
Are you... Alright, I turned it off now. That's why it's not working now. So let me just put that to the side. Alright, now time for item number 2. Item number 2 is the animated dog reader. Now, it doesn't really work because the tab is right there. So, yeah. Now, this is bigger than the other one. So, how do you open this up? Oh, I think the opening is right here. Where did he go? Oh, he's right here. Alright, yeah, let's open her up. Come on now. I literally just dropped the camera. Now, wait, he disappeared again. Where did he go? And whatever. How do I get this to open? Like, I can't get it to open. Even whenever I hit the box, I can't get it to open. But how do you get it to open? Hey, wait a minute. Where's my camera? Where's my phone? Where is it? Oh, there's my camera. It's right here. Someone tried to take it away. Alright, yeah, you're coming back over here so I can do my video. Stay right there. Don't move. Alright, we got her hair. Now, how do you... Seriously, though, like, how... What the... Why do you keep moving? You don't have to move. And besides, Halloween's over. And this is a Farewell Spirit Halloween 2021 video. And just because of that does not mean you get to creep me out, okay? Don't make me... Just stop before I change my mind and I'm taking you back. I'm just kidding, it's too late. Spirit stores are closed. Now, how do I get you out? Do I just, like, flip the box upside down? Alright, I'm gonna do it. Oh, it's so heavy. It's so heavy. It's so heavy. Why does my phone keep disappearing? Seriously? Give me back the camera. Give me back my phone. Alright, Here, you can. All right. How do you? Oh gee, something's moving. It's not hard though, so I think I might have broken something. Just get the rest of it out. And how am I do? Oh, there's like wires here. You are creepy. I really feel like this doll is just gonna lean over and scare me. I have no idea what this black wire goes to. Like, what does it go into here? Like, what the heck does it go to? Like, look at that, it fits perfectly. But I don't know. What does it fit to? Oh, I just made you lose height. We can fix that. Hold on, let me just... There we go. Now you're taller now. Did I call you a he earlier? I meant a she. Spirit, why? Why would you do this? Why would you put this into the thing? Now how am I supposed to connect it? How am I supposed to connect it, Spirit? Someone please put that in r/mildly infuriating, or maybe even r/crappy design, because I mean the other one wasn't having that problem. This one is. Is it meant to be that way? If so, then what's the point of having this? Spirit, why? Is it supposed to be... Yeah, it's supposed to be doing both hands, but this hand kind of sucks. I mean, look at it. Look, it makes it harder. Seriously. Fine, Spirit, it's staying like that. And what the heck are you doing here? Did you do this? And you're just a doll. How could you possibly be doing that? So, yeah. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And wait. I just saw him in the reflection. What? Seriously? Get out of there. There you go. Set you right there. So, yeah, guys. So, thank you guys. How? Just stop, okay? Just stop. I don't know what you're... I'm done. I'm done. And the stupid hand fell off. Why is this thing so hard? I mean, like, I get it. Things are not easy to be put together, but, like, Spirit, why you gotta do that to the other hand? I mean, like, why? Like, why? Now it's impossible to be connected. Now you can't even make it look like two hands are holding the ball. Whatever. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Dislike if you didn't. Subscribe for more. And, yeah, just if you don't want to miss a video from me, subscribe and turn on all notifications. If your age is 13 or above, join my Discord server. And check out my Shorts channel if you're interested in what I post on my YouTube Shorts channel, the shorter side of YouTube. And if you want to see a hand puppet react to stuff or do something, then check out my Instagram. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.